Hello guys, today we have a very interesting proof. The derivative of sine inverse of x equals 1 over root 1 minus sine x squared. First, we will call sine inverse of x y. So we will apply sine for both sides. So sine y equals x. We will make derivative with respect to x. So the derivative will be cosine y dash equals 1. So y dash will be equal 1 over cosine y. Now we will use the identity of sine squared of y plus cosine squared of y equals 1. So we have here that sine of y equals x. So we will substitute, so it will be x power 2 plus cosine squared of y equals 1. So cosine squared of y will be equals 1 minus x squared, and so cosine of y equals root 1 minus x squared. We will substitute by cosine y in the upper, so y dash will be equals 1 over root 1 plus x squared, and y is sine inverse of x. So we now proved that the derivative of sine inverse of x equals 1 over, sorry, this is minus root 1 minus x squared by